Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to explain how you can contact a group owner or a group admin in your groups on Google Groups. So let us get started, guys. So if you, for instance, have been added to a group on Google Groups and now you'd like to, I don't know, communicate with the group owner and ask why you have been added, or I don't know, exchange thoughts with him or her, you can do this. You can do this directly here on Google Groups. Let me show you how you can do that. So navigate to Google Groups, click into My Groups, select the given group by left clicking into it. Then guys, here on the left hand side you will see the About section of the given group, right? And here we see the owner. You will see when you have joined the given group, the group email, the number of members. You can leave the group here, the name, and so on and so forth. The privacy and permission settings for group members. And then guys, you will see this option, Contact Owners and Managers. The group manager will open up this field here. So guys, from here you can contact the given user, group owner, enter the subject here, the text below, and click into send here to send a message. You may also delete it, and that way communicate with the group owner or admin or manager without looking for him or her in the member list or looking for the email address, and so on and so forth, guys. So that's how you can do it here. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.